On Saturday morning, I slept in until 10 a.m. On Saturday morning, I slept in until 10 a.m. I visited my favorite coffee shop and enjoyed a latte. I visited my favorite coffee shop and enjoyed a latte. Anna attended a local farmer's market. Anna attended a local farmer's market. I read a mystery novel and couldn't put it down. I read a mystery novel and couldn't put it down. We had a picnic by the river. We had a picnic by the river. Mia practiced playing the piano. Mia practiced playing the piano. She went to a yoga class. She went to a yoga class. I went hiking and discovered new trails. I went hiking and discovered new trails. I practiced photography. It's a wonderful way to capture memories. I practiced photography. It's a wonderful way to capture memories. We had a barbecue with friends and enjoyed the sunny weather. We had a barbecue with friends and enjoyed the sunny weather. She visited her grandparents and caught up on family stories. She visited her grandparents and caught up on family stories. He played soccer with his buddies. He played soccer with his buddies. We explored a nearby town and tried local cuisine. We explored a nearby town and tried local cuisine. She attended a live concert and danced all night. She attended a live concert and danced all night. Anna visited an art gallery and admired the exhibits. Anna visited an art gallery and admired the exhibits. He rode his bike along the coast. He rode his bike along the coast. She cooked a delicious meal for her family. She cooked a delicious meal for her family. We cleaned the house together. We cleaned the house together. She practiced yoga in the park. She practiced yoga in the park. She volunteered at a local shelter. She volunteered at a local shelter. They went to the beach and built sand castles. They went to the beach and built sand castles. He played chess with his grandfather. He played chess with his grandfather. She took a scenic drive along the coast. She took a scenic drive along the coast. They went fishing and caught some trout. They went fishing and caught some trout. He baked chocolate cookies. He baked chocolate cookies. I watched the beautiful sunset. I watched the beautiful sunset. I danced under the stars. I danced under the stars. She jumped rope. She jumped rope. He organized a garage sale. He organized a garage sale. He surfed the big waves. He surfed the big waves. I swam in the river. I swam in the river. He painted a beautiful picture. He painted a beautiful picture. He repaired his car last weekend. He repaired his car last weekend. She flew a kite. She flew a kite. He rowed the boat. He rowed the boat. She meditated by the lake. She meditated by the lake. They ate pizza for dinner yesterday. They ate pizza for dinner yesterday. I took a nap in the afternoon. I took a nap in the afternoon. They visited the zoo. They visited the zoo. Monica went shopping downtown. Monica went shopping downtown. We had lunch at a sushi restaurant in the mall. We had lunch at a sushi restaurant in the mall. Last week, I went to Spain. Last week, I went to Spain. They talked all night. They talked all night. We had a backyard campfire. We had a backyard campfire. Jenny watched a movie at the theater. Jenny watched a movie at the theater. I visited my aunt in the hospital. I visited my aunt in the hospital. I took the dog for a walk in the morning. I took the dog for a walk in the morning. She went to a spa. She went to a spa. She called her sister on the phone. She called her sister on the phone. He played the guitar at the party. He played the guitar at the party. Sam danced at the party. Sam danced at the party. She climbed the rock wall. She climbed the rock wall. My family ate outdoors. My family ate outdoors. They ran a marathon. They ran a marathon. She cooked on the campfire. She cooked on the campfire. Lily smelled the flowers. Lily smelled the flowers. We kayaked down the river. We kayaked down the river. Jin and I climbed up the hill. Jin and I climbed up the hill. She got a new car for her birthday. She got a new car for her birthday.